I didn't expect this fabric drop to go the way it did, but it actually turned out better than planned. We just wrapped up our floral fabric drop for summer, and honestly, I was a little worried we wouldn't get everything finished in time. So instead of waiting for the whole collection to be ready and announce it all at once, we decided to do a rolling launch, which means releasing each fabric as soon as it was completed. And it actually worked out really well. I'll tell you more about that and how that all went in just a moment. But first, let me introduce you to our new summer fabrics, all created from the paintings of local Colorado artist Jim Klein. The first fabric we released was Bright Sunny Day Flowers, based on the painting Lime by Jim Klein. As you can see, it is a vibrant, bright fabric that is perfect for summer projects. Next came Marigolds and Blue Hydrangea, created from Jim's painting Blue and Orange Flowers. Now I usually film inside my design studio, but for this release I took everything outside, and my goodness, look how much it brings out the colors. After that, we launched Field of Wildflowers from the painting Wallflowers by Jim Klein. One of my favorite things about this whole collection is how well all of these paintings were able to be transformed into fabric, because it's such a great way to make fine art a part of the everyday, especially for those who love to craft. And the final fabric in our July drop was Petal Potpourri, created from Jim's painting Roses. For this one, we kept the design a little bit on the larger side to really showcase the brushstrokes and texture that were in the original artwork. But guess what? We actually have a bonus fabric that we're going to be releasing this week. So let me grab that one to show you. This one is called Rose of Red and Green Hills and is based on Jim Klein's painting McGregor's Ranch. It has a folk art novelty feel with bright, bold colors and a farm motif that makes it stand out from the floral fabrics, but still very much showcases Jim's style. So as you can see, the rolling launch ended up being the perfect solution to our time crunch this summer. We were able to release everything throughout July without rushing the artwork or the production. Now, will we continue to do rolling launches in the future? Maybe. It just depends on how things go from here on out. So on that note, all of these fabrics are available in our Spoonflower shop. The link is in the description below. I'd love to know which one of these caught your eye, so please leave a comment to let us know. And if you make something with these fabrics, please tag us. We love seeing your projects. If you want to be the first to hear about our next fabric drop, be sure to sign up for our newsletter, and that link is also in the description. Thank you all, have a good day, and we'll see you the next time.